Britain's most important helicopter in production is the Westland Lynx. Smaller than a Black Hawk, it is powered by two Rolls-Royce GEM engines of from 900 to 1,200 horsepower each. The Lynx comes in many versions, all characterized by exceptional agility and performance. A Lynx holds the world helicopter speed record at over 249 miles per hour, and all versions have extremely modern cockpits and advanced nav aids and mission avionics. Broadly, Lynxes can be divided into Army and Navy versions, the latter including a major upgrade called Super Lynx. Army versions have skids instead of wheels, except for 16 Mark IX machines destined for a new Air Mobile Brigade, which have tricycle landing gear. All Army versions are a delight to fly at almost ground level, their agility enabling obstructions to be avoided. Up to 10 armed troops can be carried, but one of the most important tasks is to insert ambush teams equipped with Milan anti-tank missiles. In this role, the usual load is 3 gunners plus large numbers of reload missiles. Other Army Lynx versions are themselves armed with guns of up to 20 or 25 millimeter caliber, or with TOW or Hellfire missiles. Slung loads can include handy all-terrain vehicles to give teams added mobility, the crew riding inside the Lynx.